This is our presentation of Assessment Task 2, the Science Station Creation. This was created by Tommy Liu, Sarah Hogg, Sarah Campbell and Hannah Goerges. Our station aims to inform students in Stage 1 and more specifically in Year 2. We found that this activity was simple enough for students to understand with minimal assistance, yet difficult enough to challenge their understanding of the Living World module. The main focus of this lesson was for students to look at the life cycle of animals that lay eggs. This station has a major focus on the use of technology. Therefore, teachers will need to access iPads, laptops, or a smartboard for students to complete this station either individually or in groups.
Before the students do the activity, they will draw in their science journals. They write the title, Life Cycle Passport, and do today's date. And then they'll draw about 4 boxes. Because they're in stage 1, they might need to do maybe only 3 would be okay, but we'll just draw 4. And then as they complete each life cycle on the boom cards, they will get a sticker and place it in the box. It's okay if they don't complete the whole passport, but we'd like them to complete at least 2.
Is about the life cycle of grasshoppers and the metamorphosis component in relation to the living world from the syllabus. First, students would press start to begin the activity. After that, they are then shown a diagram of the basic life cycle of a grasshopper. It indicates eggs, nymph, and adult. The students are required to drag and drop pictures to the appropriate circle, eggs to eggs, nymph to nymph, and adult to adult. After placing the pictures in the circles, the students must press submit to check their answers. If the students hear a ring, they are correct. If they see a red line go through their circle, they are incorrect. Here is an example. Now, in the second stage of this activity, students will not have any words in the circles as guidance. They are to use their memory or understanding of the life cycle to complete this one. So eggs first, nymph second, and adult third. They then press submit. Once the students finish their activity, they will then receive a sticker in their passports.
For the sake of this example, we have chosen the life cycle of 3 different animals, including the frog, the grasshopper, and the butterfly. We chose these 3 as we then have a representation from the air, the land, and the water. The interactive nature of this station allows students to focus on the exploration side of the Living World module. They use the interactive to explore the life cycle of such particular animals. Our syllabus focus was on the inquiry question of how do living things change as they grow. This had a direct link to our activity, which focused on the life cycle of different animals. So students explore how living things grow and change and record the changes in growth. The goal for this station is to ensure that students have a sound knowledge regarding the life cycle of some living animals, as well as being able to familiarise themselves with the scientific terminology. Additionally, we want students to be able to answer these 4 questions. In conclusion, our station aims to inform students in Year 2 regarding the life cycle of animals under the Living World module. We believe that the use of technology in this station is engaging for students and will allow them to enjoy the activity. Station activities make it easier for students to focus on specific learning intentions, and participating in smaller numbers gives everyone a turn at having a go. We believe that our station has the ability to inform students on this section of the Living World module.